Did I tell you I went to see an electric car?
Well, you sent me a picture and I was quite disappointed.
Well, no, there's more to it than that. Do you know where the Citroen garage is in Leicester? 2 hours from anywhere.
Oh.
It's awful.
Oh, okay.
It's awful. Anyway, I was bored. So next door...
I knew you were bored because you were sending me pictures of electric cars.
Yeah. So next door there's a Peugeot garage. So I went in, bored. I went, I've got a driving school. I'm thinking of going electric.
Oh,
like this. Anyway, coffees, cakes... biscuits. Yeah. This is great. Yeah. Oh, yes. Do you want to take it for a test drive? No, maybe. I'll think about it first. Anyway, ring. Your car's ready.
Okay. Did you sit in an electric car?
Yeah. Oh, it's lovely. Square steering wheel. What the hell's that about?
Was it a Peugeot?
Yeah.
Oh, I hated that Peugeot.
Yeah.
Why has it got a square steering wheel?
It's mental. It's like, well, put some square wheels on it while you're at it.
Yeah.
And anyway, go. By the way, what's the range? What's the range on this car? Because I need to.
Yeah, I'm interested.
Yeah, what's the range on this? Yeah. They go, it's about this one there because it was normally 240 because it's 3 years old. It's down to about 180, and that's the garage telling me that.
So a full
charge, brand new, 2025 car. It said about 240 miles.
It's 180.
It's down in 3 years. It's down to 180 miles of range.
So I could do two lessons.
That's what I said. I said, deal breaker. And if you buy a second-hand electric car, the battery deteriorates big time if it's done on fast charge.
Oh.
Yeah, if you do trickle charging overnight, it'll probably stay about 240, 230. But as soon as you start driving to Devon and have a fast charge for half an hour and go and get yourself a coffee whilst it's doing fast charge, it kills the battery.
Why would you get an electric car?
It's like me now. So deciding on, it's like me deciding, do I choose an MP4 player or do I get a Betamax video?
Yeah.
You're driving in tomorrow's, we'll send it, what to do on the trade-in, we'll give it to the Science Museum as a bit of a laugh, look what they used to drive in, honestly.
Okay, so that's out of the question. I mean, it was out of the question.
It was out of the question, I just wanted a free coffee.
Yeah, but it's legitimately out of the question.
I just wanted to find out about electric cars because I knew nothing about them.
No.
So, and now my mind's made up. Because I was thinking about, because the other thing, another exciting news, I'm thinking of going to the dark, no, not going to the dark side, putting one leg in the dark side. And I might get an electric, I won't get an electric car, no. I am going to get an automatic car.
Okay.
And do the automatic lesson.
Yep. But it's not going to be an electric automatic car. No. Just an automatic.
Yeah.
Car. Yes, fueled car. Okay. That's fine.
Second-hand value, more than electric cars. I wonder why.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Second-hand 208 was about 13,000 when I sent the photograph of you.
Okay.
I was waiting for your reaction when I sort of sent you that. I got to see your face, what you thought. I was expecting to be barred and de-owned. It's Rebecca's School of Motoring. Where's our drive gone?
Why the fuck are you sending me a picture of an electric car?
What's the Ulster School of Motoring? You got an electric car, you idiot. Can't say that, can you?
Can't say that.
Can't say that.
No. Because also, this is what I was thinking, you can't say this, what I'm about to say.
Can.
What about when you've got... Can't say that though.
Can't say that. Do you want me to... You're choking?
No.
Don't do the Hyman manoeuvre thing.
No, you'll squeeze the baby out.
Yeah, that's true. Heimrich. Yeah, not the Hyman manoeuvre.
I had to do that on my dog the other day.
What, the Hyman manoeuvre?
What's that one?
No, I get my words slightly mucky fuddled.
Yeah.
And it's called the Heinrich manoeuvre.
Yeah.
Well, you know what a Hyman is.
Do I? Should I? Oh, don't do this to me again.
Okay. Oh, Rebecca. bless you.
Okay.
Oh no, I don't want to explain it.
What's a hymen?
Get your phone out.
No, I'm not searching it.
Go on.
No. No, I'm not.
Where's my phone?
Here. I don't want it on my history because it's going to be something rude, isn't it?
I'll put definition.
Oh.
Oh, go away.
You've not got a signal.
Oh, for goodness sake.
You might have to give me a description.
I don't want to. Can I whisper?
No. Oh God. Okay.
Okay.
How did we get here?
God knows. It's slightly associated with how you got there.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Was on the train and she swallowed a peanut the wrong way.
Yeah.
And started choking. So in the middle of this packed train, I announced, "Do you want me to come behind you and give you the Humour manoeuvre?"
I see now. But what should it be called?
Heinrich. Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I didn't perform the other one on my dog.
No, I'm not. Yeah, so anyway, we're getting your words mucky fuddled.
Well, how did we get to that anyway?
Do you know what I said in Sainsbury's once? Home base, garden centre.
Okay.
I was looking for, there's a plant called lobelia.
Oh no.
And I said to the lady, "Do you have a trailing nabia?"
Oh.
And she looked at me like, "Lobelia."
Oh.
Baby.
See, this is when I wouldn't be any good in those situations because I wouldn't have a clue anyway.
Clematis became something
Oh,
very
no.
similar as well, and asked for that. Another occasion.
Oh.
Oh God, I'm always getting the words just slightly wrong.
You're just always getting yourself in trouble.
Yeah.
That's why.
Did you get your past results from the DVSA?
No, never.
Why haven't you asked for them again?
I need to.
What's mine?
I can't remember.
Very high.
Is it?
92%.
I could just work it out myself, couldn't I? The only thing is that the results, you know, like the driving faults.
Do you add them all in onto Total Drive?
I do, yeah.
Do you? Oh God.
No, but I don't do them individually. I wish I did, because then I could literally just have the whole report myself.
Yeah.
But
So you put in every minor fault in from the driving test?
Well, no, I just put how many.
Okay, you don't
faults.
break it down
I
into
don't break it down.
mirrors and others,
No. We should do though, because it's good to keep track, isn't it?
Do you know what my weakest area is? I don't know.
remember.
I'm not sure what I'm carrying away from you here.
I remember, I think.
What did I say?
Was it move off safety?
Moving off safety. Yeah.
Yeah.
First thing you ever learn.
That's so
Do
strange,
I neglect
isn't
it?
No, but then surely whenever you pull up so many times, like, throughout someone's driving journey, you must have pulled up like 50 times at least. That's a strange thing, isn't it? Because is there anything other than blind spot? What?
I don't know. It's just moving off safely, isn't it? So maybe stalled in the car, would that come off?
That's move off control, though.
That's move off control, isn't it? Yeah.
What about if they moved off and they slowed someone down? That's not move off safety. That's observation, isn't it?
Yeah.
Judgment.
Yeah.
Strange.
Anyway, top tip.
Yeah.
Do you know what my favourite road now is for meeting and passing for the first time?
Is it in Kettering?
No. Meeting and passing for the first time. We don't.
Oh, for the first time.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I don't
Okay.
go to Kettering too early.
No.
Air parks. Through those, who's got the right of way, who's got the right of way, who's got the priority.
Oh, Wellington.
Yes.
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
Fallen back round the roundabouts, come back a couple of times.
That's what I
Love
do now as well.
Fantastic.
It's brilliant.
Anyway,
we said that when it was being built, didn't we? We were like,
always
got
gonna be
good.
Yeah. Sorry, your £600,000 houses. Hi. Anyway, psychology. Full seriousness now. We have a laugh. We have a joke. Counting up there, you need to check that right mirror before you come across to take the chicane. I just say motorbike now.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't say mirrors. Right, motorbike, and they go like that. Straight away.
You've conditioned them.
Well, just saying, let's go mirrors. Yeah, what about it? Let's say, look, motorbike.
Yeah, no, I never say mirrors.
And I say to them, could be me on my motorbike.
Yeah.
Then they definitely don't look.
Yeah. They just go.
Yeah. So I say to them, like, okay, think about it, motorbike. Us motorcyclists, we're not very intelligent. We're on a machine that has statistically 62 times to cause a fatality than a car. That's clearly not an intelligent decision to buy a motorbike and learn to ride it. We'll be filtering in, we'll be feathering in at the last minute, we'll be doing that. Get that motorbike check. I call it a motorbike check now.
Motorbike check. I do that on this side, I call it a cyclist check. Yeah. Because saying mirrors is pointless.
Mirrors, yeah. It's pointless. That's that.
Anyway, we've gone quite off piece, haven't we?
We have gone off piece.
Basically, follow the new YouTube account, please. That's pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do that.
That'll help. That's a good start.
Oh, like and subscribe.
And that.
Yes, like and subscribe. So actually, does this video become the first video, Moose Boosh video? By the way, people on there, you can't tell people to subscribe. They've already found it. It's a bit after the event, isn't it? It's a bit like on Google, enter in your recovery email when someone's changed it. But the good news, off the back of it...
Does it come up now? It's loaded.
That's good. Here's a top.
So you don't have, have a hymen. Like, I wouldn't have a hymen now.
No.
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 That just goes.
No, that ship sailed a long, long time ago, Rebecca.
Gosh, Mick George's popular here.
Oh, they're building the super prison.
Brilliant.
That's good. Oh my God, it's like Groundhog Day.
So I was having this discussion the other day.
It's like Matrix.
Do you think you're safer living near a prison because if the prisoners escaped, they'd want to get far away, or not as safe? Because bearing in mind that there's a lot of murderers in that prison.
It's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah. So if they escaped, do you think you'd be safer because they would try and get away living here, or would you be in danger because they'd come out and murder people?
Or would you think that's what the police would be thinking?
Exactly.
Oh, I'll lay low.
Yeah.
In there, on that thing.
In the bunker.
In the bunker.
I think that's the first place.
Let's have a look. Yeah.
Yeah.
In the bunker.
Yeah. Guess we'll never know. Hopefully.
Yeah. What are we doing about Roadside Rambles? Oh, we've got it stuck in your head.
What is it?
Spider. Oh, no, it's not. It's just a bit of...
Okay.
It's one of those. Yeah. Don't mystery stuff in your hair, do you?
No, at least it wasn't a spider, though.
Your hair looks nice. It looks like you just had a haircut.
Does it?
Maybe at the weekend, I reckon. Maybe Saturday.
Maybe. I don't know. I don't understand how we ever had time to film.
No, we didn't teach.
But we did.
You did.
But we did. That's the thing.
I'm teaching 45 hours a week at the moment.
Yeah.
I'm actually very popular all of a sudden.
So how did we ever film? How did we get all of those videos done before?
We did them on Saturdays. You used to drop Zach off. You used to have a whole Saturday room bombarding. Go, right, go, boom, 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 boom.
Oh,
and we had a timetable, and we were very regimented about it. And we were motivated.
It was the summer.
Yeah.
In the winter.
And you fitted in biking.
Yes. Are we living in some like
I keep on waking. I wake up at night sometimes. Okay, imagine I'm asleep. Here I am, asleep, like this.
Okay.
And then sometimes, about 3 in the morning, I wake up like this. Do you know what's making me do that?
What?
I went on the back of your freaking bike about 4 days after you passed your mod 2.
Now, do you feel bad for taking the mickey out of me for going slower now? You remember when you were on the back of the bike and you said to me...
You haven't let that go, have you?
I haven't, no.
You haven't let that go.
You told me I'm about to get overtaken by an electric car. Do you feel bad now?
I feel bad that after about a week, we were going down the A14 in crosswinds with me perched on the back.
No, but you made
enough.
it easier because it was more weight.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Yeah, that wasn't the bad part.
I must say, when I took you out as pillion...
It's not nice, is it?
No, especially after 2 hours of passing. That was 3 hours I took you out. You on the back of the bike?
It's not nice.
No.
No.
Wait till I get my new bike.
No, I'm not going on that.
Well, you're invited. It's my bike. Sports Tourer, it's the way forward.
Actually, it might
Sports
be
Tourer,
quite
it's the way forward.
Comfier.
Sports Tourer, that's the way forward.
Why? Why are you trying to say that to me?
Because I'm sick of death of running out of fuel every 2 minutes.
That is annoying. That is annoying. Yeah.
We went to Wales. It's like a bike.
We had to keep stopping.
God, it's like an old man having a wee when you're back on the bike.
I don't know.
When you, Gene?
So I'm having...
When's D-Day?
I'm having it the first week of March. Having him. I know what it is now. Don't know. June?
Bit in the diary. We'll make an epic
We'll
video.
see. We'll see how...
You've got to
how I feel.
tie it in with an IAM track day. I did.
No, I won't be ready for that straight away.
Oh, honestly, the first session, you go around so slowly, get used to the line.
But that was all day as well.
Yeah.
I'm breastfeeding for a year. I can't be away all day.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Pony Express.
Yeah, I can, but then I'm still going to need to pump while I'm out. I don't really fancy doing a...
Yeah, leathers.
Exactly.
Messy.
No, thank you.
Pump and dump.
No. I just won't be very comfortable either.
No, fair enough. Do you want me to ease you back in?
See how I feel. See.
Little ride of Pittsford.
Yeah. Yeah.
This corner will terrorise you.
This corner terrifies me.
That's still.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
If it
Well,
goes
I
wrong,
say
you
that.
don't go wrong, does it? You're not going to kill yourself in this corner.
No, but coming this way, I'm fine. It's turning left. It's always my left bends.
I've never gone this way.
Huh?
I've never gone this way.
You haven't? Oh. Yeah. It's always the left bends that get me.
I had a nice ride the other day.
Yeah.
Good one. I went to... No, it took me 4.5 hours to get back from Sussex.
Oh,
I got
yeah.
in, put on my bike gear.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm off out. I can't be on the M25.
Yeah, I remember.
2.5 hours. And all the motorbikes just going down the middle.
Yeah.
So I did a video on, which I'm going to put out on there, about it was M25. Stop. As it was, marked off 3 cars, and overall, no one got there any quicker. Including someone who's weaving. Yeah, they've done loads of studies on that. And Top Gear, they've done studies like that. They've done studies on the
That's interesting.
government body that does driving, whatever it is.
Yeah.
And someone else, Mythbusters, did it as well. How are you doing on time?
Yeah, probably need to have back.
Yeah. Just say goodbye. Yeah, subscribe.